Welcome back, student. Good morning to everyone. Student, yesterday I have completed the one topic of chapter number 5, the rock and mineral. Now, student, today we will discuss about the second types of rock. You know there are three types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Today I will discuss about the sedimentary rock. How sedimentary rocks are formed and what are the examples, means what are the types, how many types of the sedimentary rock. Okay, student. So now open your chapter number 5th and open your topic, that is sedimentary rock. Open, student. Sedimentary rocks. Student, sedimentary means which are deposited rock. Means the rock erosion also, such as soil erosion, when rock eroded by the various factors like heat and temperature and rain, it broken into the smaller pieces, broken down into the smaller pieces. When rock broken into the smaller pieces and carried away by the rainwater, river water, carried away by rainwater and river water, and by wind and deposited in the sand or mud, as eventually they are form a layer of sand or mud. Suppose this is the mud or sand. So many pillars like structure are formed, and over a time a new pillar are also formed above the old. This is the old layer, and this is the new layer. They compressed to the old layer. And is converted into the sedimentary rock. It is converted into the sedimentary rock. The older layer become compressed. And hard, and make the sedimentary rock. Okay, student. The sediment turns to rock. This sediment turns to the rock. Okay. Now, student, what is the example of sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks. Student, as you know, the sedimentary rocks are made up of the mineral sand, MINE, minerals, sand, mud, gravels, pebbles, silt, so many, and also from the dead organic materials. And student, the sedimentary rock are very useful for the study of by the scientists because so many footprints are found just below the sedimentary rocks. This is called fossils. Fossils. Which is used in the paleobotany for study the our old animals and plants. So scientists study this rock because there are traces of ancient plant and animals. Erase plants and animals are found below the sedimentary rocks. This is called fossils. Okay, now we will study about the example of sedimentary rocks. You know, student, the sedimentary rocks are made up of the minerals, sand, mud, and even the remains of the living beings. Remains of living beings. Okay. So sedimentary rocks are made up of the minerals, sand, mud, remains of dead living beings. Okay. It is often softer than the other. So these types of rock is softer than the igneous rock or the metamorphic rocks. Okay, student. Now, student, so based on their composition of sedimentary rock, they are found in different types. They are found in the different types. The deposition of the minerals, sand, mud, and living remains of living beings. They are different types. First is sandstone. Sandstone. Student, you know, this is the deposition of the sand and mud to form concrete, cemented concrete, cemented concrete. This is natural cemented concrete. So sandstone is generally made up of the naturally cemented together, means sand grain. Generally mud is very in low quantity, and this is the generally made of the sand grains. They are compact to each other and make the cemented rock. You know, student, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, which is situated in Delhi, and Qutub Minar are made up of this stone, means sandstone. Okay. So it contains grain of the mineral quartz. It is also made by the minerals that is called QUARTZ, quartz, which make it in different color, red color, pink color, grey color. They are found in the different types of color. Okay. So The famous Red Fort and Qutub Minar are made up of the sandstone. Now second is conglomerate. 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 It is made of the gravels plus pebbles plus sand. Due to the deposition of gravels, pebbles, sand and stones, they are combined to each other and form a cemented type of minerals together by the minerals. It is evenly which is the evenly coarse and used in the building materials. All these are made together this type of suppose this is the conglomerate. Suppose this is the gravel, this is pebbles, this is sand, this is stone, all together mixed with mineral and eventually called quartz. In texture, it is used in construction work. For making cement, CONS, TRUCTION. Now we will study about the third types of sedimentary rock, that is called shale. It is generally made of the deposition of clay and mud. And it is the soft rock. Generally it is soft rock because it is made of the clay and mud, and it is used in the make of the brick. Used for making brick. Now the next sedimentary rock is called limestone. It is another type of the sedimentary rock, which is formed by the deposition of calcite. How calcite formed? In sea there are various and millions types of the living beings, aquatic animals live in the sea. Some aquatic animal which is found in the sea are made up of the calcite. This is covered by the shells. Okay, shells. When they are, suppose they die, the shells break down and form a layer on the inside the sea surface and deposited to form a limestone. Okay, student. So cells of sea animals. Generally, limestone is made by the cells of the sea animals, which is deposited inside the in the sea. Okay, they are compressed. So shells are generally made of the calcite, which are compressed layer by layer and deposited in the sea level and make the limestone. It is used in the making the blackboard, BLACK BOARD. Also used for the pencils, and also used for the road base concrete, road base CMCRE concrete, which is used as the cement, which is used as the cemented form. In the some years ago, calcium means limestone is also used as the cement, which is mixed with the powder of bricks, cement, to making the walls of the building. Okay, student. So chalk, you know chalk, CHAL. Chalk is also made up of the limestone. Now student, so this is the complete example of the sedimentary rock. So limestone is generally deposition of the calcite minerals, which is found in the cells of the sea animals, which is the compressed in the sea level and deposited under heat and pressure they converted into the limestone, which is used in the construction site and for making the road base and used for the chalk. Okay, now we will discuss about the next rock, that is called metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is made by the high temperature and pressure, and deep inside the earth, found deep inside the earth due to high heat and pressure. Generally, metamorphic rock is the conversion of the igneous, igneous and sedimentary rock. They are converted into the metamorphic rock. Okay. So this is very dense and compact rock. So this is very dense and compact rock, because due to high pressure and high temperature, they are very dense and very compact rock. And generally metamorphic rock are the igneous or sedimentary rock. They are converted into the metamorphic rock by the high heat and pressure. Okay, so both igneous and sedimentary rocks can be changed into the metamorphic rock. So both igneous and sedimentary rock change into the metamorphic rocks. Okay, try to understand, student. So what is the example of the metamorphic rocks? What is the example of metamorphic rock? Examples of metamorphic depending upon the weather, depending upon weather, heat, pressure, depending on the weather, heat, pressure, both. A metamorphic rock are found in various types. So they are found in the various types. First, slate. Number one, slate. How slate is formed? It is found under the low pressure plus low temperature. It is converted under low pressure and low temperature. It is found in the thin sheets, under the thin sheets inside the earth, which is very dense, very compact, and it is excellent roofing material. It is used in excellent roofing material for decorating the buildings and monuments. So it is very used for the in the construction site for making the roofing materials in building. It is also used for making slate and blackboard. Slate and blackboard, because very fine, very smooth, and which is very useful for the making the blackboard. See, this is the whiteboard, and this is made of the wood, plywood and mica. But in your classes, the green board is which is used by the slate rock. Okay. Now student, we will going to the next example of the metamorphic rock, that is very useful rock used by various people in for making their houses. Second is marble. How marble formed? Marble is most commonly used for making the roof, buildings, and it is generally formed by the limestone. So limestone is the sedimentary rock, which is made by the calcite, and calcite is made by the cells of the sea animals. So marble are generally formed from the limestone, found in the various color, okay. So our Taj Mahal is built by the white marble in Agra. Okay, it is also used for make the statue. Okay, statues, countertops and sculpture. SCULPTUR and counterparts, which is used for the making statue and sculptures and countertops. COUN countertops. And third is gneiss. 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 You know, student, gneiss, this metamorphic rock formed from the granite. Granite rock is generally sedimentary rock. So gneiss is formed from the granite and parallel bands of which types of mineral? That is called glitter. So this is used for building stone. This is gneiss is used for building stones. And fourth is called quartzite. QUARTZITE means quartz. QUARTZ. This is the mineral which is found in the igneous rock. So this metamorphic rock is formed from the sandstone that is found in the mineral quartz sandstone, which have the mineral found in the sandstone that is called quartz. So this quartzite rock is very hard and weather resistant. No effect of the weather, summer, winter or rain on this quartzite. So this is very important rock and useful and very costly rock, used for making the glass and ceramic. For making the glass and ceramic industry. For making the plates, cup. Okay. So student, today we will discuss about the sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Now your time is going to over. Write down your today's homework. Read about sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock. Okay, just read in your and from your book at your home and write down this homework in your diary. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Your class is over.